Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from Code Revolution. So let me show you today how to use Crawlomatic to scrape websites and posts from websites which are paginated. So you will see an example here. So rich celebrity houses, their home insurance costs are unbelievable. So this page actually lists these celebrities, one on each page. So you will be able to check Troy Aikman and click next, Britney Spears, next page, and so on. So you will be able to click next page for each. So you are actually able to scrape all these celebrities into a single post using Crawlomatic. So let me show you how to do this. So first of all, copy the first URL that you want to use and paste it in the scraper start seed URL. Click settings, and in here scroll and click inspect. So you will be able to highlight the part that you wish to extract. So in this case is single entry content. So copy this ID and paste it in the plugin settings, content query type. Click ID because we got an ID, single entry content, and paste it here. So now we will be able to tell also the plugin that, hey, search for the next page button and automatically go to the URL which is linked there. So in this case we are in luck as the next page button has the class post page number. So copy this class post page numbers and go to post pagination link query type and click class as we selected the class from this link, and paste the class that you copied from there. Also we can see that in the content part that we copied, in the single entry content, we can see that we have stuff like ads. So we can remove these ads by their ID. So copy the ID of the ad and search for strip HTML elements by ID and paste the ID of the ad div you copied, and also this other mobile ad div should be removed. So simply a comma and paste the other ad div, and here you will have also the next page which has the class liw-content. So copy this also, and this should be added in the strip HTML elements by class as this is a class. So yeah, basically we said that, hey, Crawlomatic, extract everything that you find in the single entry content wrapper, and it is the image and also the text and the buttons and the ads, and strip from that part that you extracted the ads and also the next page buttons, as we don't need this. So keep only the text, the header, the title, and the image. Okay, and also we told Crawlomatic that, hey, when you finish scraping on a page, go and search for pagination of results and click on the link, go to the next link, and until you find new pages. Now another interesting thing is that if there are many pages, like in this case there are, I think, even 100 pages, as am I, yes, so there are more than 100 pages. So we can define also how many pages should we extract maximum for pagination links. So this will be defined in the maximum post pagination depth. So for example, I use this 10 because I don't want to make this video long, because yeah, scraping 100 posts can be a bit longer process, and yeah, I don't want to bore you guys. So my blog is empty. Let's go ahead and start scraping, and now the plugin will get the 10 results and paste them in a single post. So here it is. This is the featured image. So Troy Aikman, Britney Spears, the description, So title, image, description, title, image, description, and so on until we get the 10 reasons. So 4, 6, 8, 11 actually, yeah. So I need to fix this as the pagination currently does 11 instead of 10. So 2, 4, 6, sorry. Once again, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, I need to fix this. Okay, so no problem. This will be fixed in next update. So basically, this is how you will be able to make the pagination for websites that have paginated posts like this, and simply set up Crawlomatic to click on the links for the next page, and it will be able to successfully extract every content that you need from pages. And if you set here, for example, let's go ahead and be really aggressive and set here 105, for example. And let's delete the old post that we scraped, and let's run importing again. So yeah, Crawlomatic actually now goes in and scrapes all the posts that it gets until it gets to page 105 in this article. So I am really interested in how much time does it take for Crawlomatic to scrape all these pages, as I was pretty surprised that scraping 10 pages worked really fast. So scraping 100 pages should not take that long as I first expected, but let's see. So it is still running. I hope that my PHP settings will allow this to fully run. So yeah, let's go back and check the front side. It's empty, and now let's refresh. So it seems that we got many people here listed. So wow, yeah, there are definitely 100 and some people listed here. Okay, so yeah, and let's check. So last is OJ Simpson, and let's check here. We'll be able to find OJ Simpson, and will be the F. So here it is, OJ Simpson number 102, and the next is nothing. So more stories. So yeah, OJ Simpson was actually the last, and the plugin was able to get all the celebrities correctly, even though I set the maximum here to 105 and OJ Simpson was 102. Okay, so Crawlomatic is linked in this video's description. Go ahead guys and check it. Any ideas, feedback, suggestions are welcome in this video's commenting section. Like, share, subscribe, comment, everything is appreciated. Until next time, bye bye.